Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Agua De Kefir. First, gather your essential ingredients: active water kefir grains, a quarter cup of sugar, and 4 cups of filtered water. You'll also need a clean glass jar, preferably a 1-liter size, and a breathable cover like a coffee filter or cheesecloth secured with a rubber band. Using filtered water is crucial, as chlorine can harm your kefir grains. To begin the first fermentation, dissolve 1/4 cup of sugar in a small amount of warm filtered water, then add it to your 1-liter jar. Now, gently add your active water kefir grains and the remaining 3 cups of filtered water. Cover the jar with your breathable cloth and secure it. Place the jar in a spot away from direct sunlight and let it ferment for 24 to 48 hours. After the first fermentation, carefully strain the liquid to separate the water kefir grains. You can reuse these grains for your next batch. Now, for the second fermentation, add your favorite fruit juice or fresh fruit pieces to the strained kefir. Common choices include 1/4 cup of fruit juice per 1 liter of kefir. Bottle this flavored liquid and let it ferment for another 12 to 24 hours. Once your second fermentation is complete, your delicious Agua De Kefir is ready to enjoy. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days to maintain its freshness and fizz. This refreshing beverage offers fantastic probiotic benefits, supporting a healthy gut and aiding digestion. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks, which come with a lifetime warranty and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.